Okay, there's two things here. One is a question and one is something I would like to add. Now that the syllabus are getting really, really long, scrolling all the way down to them is getting really cumbersome, especially when you have to go back and forth. So I think what we need to add is up here in this corner, we need to add something that will allow us to just hyperlink directly down to the different weeks. So I don't want to make it too cumbersome or too complicated, but adding something here that will say week 1 and you click on it and it just scrolls automatically down to the beginning of week 1. Week 2 scrolls down to week 2, same with week 3 and week 4. We need to add something here that allows you to get quickly down to the certain weeks. So it would basically take me right down to here because this is the beginning of week 1. And then it would take me down to week 2, which would probably be somewhere around right here. Here's Friday. So this would probably be week 2. So it would take me here if I click week 2. Yeah, I think that's important for us to add. Number 2, when quizzes are available for students, the questions, do they follow the date for being unlocked? So for instance, if I'm a student and I want to go down and do a quiz on March 1st and it's only February 18th, are the questions unlocked or not? It doesn't look like they are. So I'm wondering if that is what's going on here. Because the one thing that I think we can do, yeah, I'm guessing that they're not unlocked. The flashcards aren't locked. All of that stuff isn't unlocked. I think what we can do is do the e-syllabus differently than we do the spaced learning quizzes. So for instance, the quiz questions have to be unlocked to be sent to the spaced learning quiz unless half of the semester is over. But on the e-syllabus, I think we can get rid of that, and all the flashcards and all of the quiz questions should be available here for students to do. And there shouldn't be an unlocked or a locked date on just the e-syllabus. So they should show up here on the e-syllabus, but they should not, they have to be unlocked for the spaced learning quiz. And there's a reason why. There's a different way to do quiz questions, and you can use the e-syllabus to do that. It's called errorful generation. And so I want them to be able to do errorful generation using the e-syllabus, but not using the spaced learning or the self-quizzes. So I hope that makes sense. So the two things are, up on the top, have a little section here that allows you to hyperlink down to week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that kind of stuff. And the second thing is allowing for flashcards, quiz questions, videos, all of that stuff